NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 15. The coordinates of the point which is equidistant from the three vertices of the triangle AOB as shown in the figure 7.1 is option A, x comma y, option B, y comma x, option C, x by 2 comma y by 2, or option D, y by 2 comma x by 2. Let us find the answer. The point equidistant from three vertices is circumcenter by definition. The given triangle is a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, circumcenter is equal to midpoint of the hypotenuse. And what is the hypotenuse in this triangle? The side opposite to right angle, which is AB. AB is the hypotenuse, and we need to find the midpoint of this hypotenuse, midpoint of line joining A and B. For the given triangle, we concluded that circumcenter is equal to midpoint of hypotenuse, which is AB. A is 0 to y, B is 2x 0. Let us consider A as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. The formula to find the midpoint of the line joining these 2 points is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us substitute the values. x1 is 0 plus x2 is 2x divided by 2. y1 is 2y plus y2 is 0 by 2. That is equal to 2x by 2 is x and 2y by 2 is y. Therefore, circumcenter, the point which is equidistant from the three vertices of the given triangle AOB is x comma y. From the given options, the correct option is option A, x comma y.